All right, this is one way to enter from a breaker block using confirmation entries. First of all, what is a breaker block? A breaker block is basically when price tends to give you a buy, wanted to buy it here, and price tends to fill that zone. Price will later come back into the zone and sell. Basically, something like this. Fill this zone, and you're expecting this. Okay, so how do you enter using confirmation from here? It's simple. Now, there are two things price can do. All right, so one thing you can do is to wait for price to give you that same pattern, like I used to say. So everybody wanted to buy it here, right? Price failed and comes into your POI. You can as well wait again for something like that to happen and you buy, you sell from there for the set scenario. Or you wait for your ABC to form, right? So this comes into your breaker block and you wait for confirmation using ABC, liquidity, POI, then drop. Or you wait for an inducement. So you have your POI, right? You have your POI area here. You wait for an inducement. Price induce a lot of people to sell, but that's not a major move. Then you wait for price to enter here and you just sell off here. Okay, so let me show you guys a chart example showing you these stops. So this is a breaker block, broke through without even giving you a rejection. So I map out this block. So I'm going to just take my replay tool and take this out. Okay, so could clearly see that price clearly came into that zone. Now this is the 4-hour time frame, so I will just go to the 15 minutes time frame. So before price came into that zone, we're already seeing signs of everybody wanted to buy it here. But remember, if price has come to this place before getting into we can do this. But immediately price gets into that your zone, you should be looking for sales. So let's play price to see. So price enters into the zone, right? What did I say you should look for? You can look for this and sell. So now, that being said, let's see what happens. Price broke to the downside. Broke to the downside, but not with a large momentum though. You would have done this if you would have done this, right? Break of structure, then let's say you want to use this. So price comes into it again. That's what you do. But then again, this is not really a very nice entry because of the price action. But you'd have done this and let's see what happens. So price takes it out. Now, like I said, this is not really a good move because a breaker block should give you a very massive impulse to the downside and you not expect this. You understand what I'm saying? So, but this confirmation entry here is as a result of, so if you have done this, you obviously hit yourself. But this, because a lot of persons wanted to buy it here, if you look, it induced a lot of persons to buy. What is inducement? Inducement is basically there's a buy zone, below, right? And a lot of persons price broke structure again. So people that don't know that this is an inducement, they are buying it here because of this break of structure. So this induces a lot of people to sell, not knowing that there's a buy, not knowing that there's a level here to continue the buy from. So price comes, induce them to as if it's going to their direction and fail and push. So this is inducement. This is a trap. This is what basically happened there, giving you a mitigation or a violation block to sell from. So this is the pattern that we saw in here. Okay, price came, did as he wanted to buy, failed. So price is not going to go to your other block. price going to come here and sell. So that's what happened. So instead, even though you mistakenly do this, because this was not a very good impulse, okay, you would have caught it here, right? You'd have caught it there. Okay, so but here's what I'm showing you. So this is what literally happened. Push, then inducement. So people wanted to buy it here because of this inducement, but he bought for a while and manipulation took them out. So price needs to mitigate and sell. Okay, it's as simple as that. Okay, so price taps in nicely and goes down to the TP. I hope this makes sense. So instead of you to do this, just rush and sell from here, giving you a large stop loss like this to target that same place you are targeting, you would have obviously reduced this. This is a 1 to 3, then this is a 1 to 7. You can see how this helps you. Please, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe. See you on the next one. God bless you.